Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to face when your character hands is clipping through the body. Okay, we have two ways to face that. So first, let me show you the first one. Let's say I have my character here, the rest pose is A pose. So this add-on require a rig that has a rest pose of T pose. So we can do it by going to settings, and here I'm going to pick my character and this AutoRig, so I'll choose AutoRig, and the next thing is I'll click and switch to FK, and I'm going to import my T-pose rig. So after this, let's click on automate and click OK. So and then this, you can see our character has set into T-pose. So the next thing we can do is just click on apply rest pose, or you can use this if you don't want to add an extra shaping to your shapings. Okay, so I'm going to use this for quick. After this, let's go here and I'm going to pick this and I'm going to load this animation. So I'm going to click load and it's load this animation. So these are some of the problems you face. You can see the character hands is what is clipping through the leg. You can see. So how you can face this is you can select your character rig, go to pose mode and select the rig. Okay, this is the arm. And let's go to the rotation, and here we can rotate it either on X like this so that the clipping should be reduced. Okay, so let's do like this, and let's do the same for the left. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it here, and I can also rotate the arms there, also rotate this one, the hand. Okay, so okay, now let this, so we can see the hands is not clipping again. Okay, we can also use this one to align some of the shoulders like this, and I can make this one go back a little bit. This one. Okay, so now you see we have good posture and the hands is not clipping again. Okay, you can see the hands is not clipping again. So with anytime you load new animation and you see the hands is clipping, you can use this method to fix that. Okay, so let me go to option 2. Okay, so for the option 2, let me go to RealMotion tab here, and here I'm going to start again. So I'll go to the settings and I'm going to pick this as my target rig, and I'm going to switch to FK. I'm going to import my T-pose, and let's click automate and click OK. So now our character has set into T-pose. Before we apply this as our rest pose, let's go to pose mode and then let's go to in front. Here I'm going to use the X mirror and I'm going to use the rotation and I'm going to rotate it up. Okay, so this one will make the hands not clipping through the body, and I'm going to do the same for the shoulder a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to rotate the shoulder up so it will align with the forearm. Okay, so I think this one is cool. Okay, let me rotate this one up a little bit. So once I get this, what I can do is let me go to object mode and I'm going to apply this as my rest pose. Once I'm done, let's go to the animation and pick this one and let's load animation and see. And now you can see the hands is not clipping. So this will help to fix when the hands is clipping. So anytime I will load new animation, since the rest pose is higher, it will prevent it from clipping. Okay, so this is a two method you can use. So I prefer the second method because if you don't need to do the rotation for every time you load new animation. So let's say I want to load idle. Okay, I'm going to load idle 2 and load this. Okay, now let me test. And we can see the character is doing the idle without the hands clipping through. Okay, so I think this method can be good for you. Okay, so this is the best method to face when your character hands is clipping. Okay, you make sure you raise up a little bit, and when it's okay, and then you just apply as rest pose. This will face those things. So that is for today, and thank you. So guys, this is my new add-on I'm creating. It's called Auto Lip Sync, that allow you to generate lip sync just using either shape key or pose options. So you can see here, let me test it for you. It automatically transcribe your speech to text, and you can see all here, and it just give you the phonemes and the voice here, and then all you need is to generate your lip sync. Okay.
This is an example of a longer sentence being processed.
It also gives you, we have auto blink that you can use to make eye blinking like this.
It will help me check the clarity and pacing of the generated voice. This is an example of a...
So this add-on is currently under development. So
你想做自动唇语同步搅拌机，所以这个我不自动唇语同步。Pro 是搅拌机，我不知道这会帮助你产生如何在不使用数据的情况下，直接在搅拌机中对口型同步。所以今天我要指导你怎么做。你好，我可以看到你。你想做自动唇语同步搅拌机，所以这个我不自动唇语同步。Pro 是搅拌机，我不知道这会帮助你产生如何在不使用数据的情况下，直接在搅拌机中对口型同步。所以今天我要指导你怎么做。